to create a ellipse using a concentric circle method. Okay, so first we have to set the prerequisite units. So here I will set 0 and here I will set the unit millimeter. Okay, then we have to set the limits. So 0, 0 and upper right corner 420, 297 and we have to set the zoom all. So I'm going to create the model above the red within the red and the green line. Okay, so here I'm going to create two circle using center radius or center diameter, your wish. Okay, so I will create using center diameter. Okay, so for my convenient I will take 150 diameter for major circle. So same center point I'm using. Okay, same center point. So minor diameter 100. Okay, so here, okay, this is my two circle. So here I'm going to create one line from the top portion or bottom portion, your wish. Okay, so before going to start this, switch on the ortho mode. So ortho mode already I explained why we are using ortho mode. So for creating the straight line. Okay, next I'm going to split this line into n number of segments. Okay, by using polar array. Okay, this is polar array. So this is my object. I'm going to split the line, split the circle using the line. Okay, so it will ask the center point. So here items 6, right? So I'm going to create 12. 12 I'm going to split the circle 12 number of segments. Okay, so then, so here if you want, give 10. Okay, 12 like that. So then close array. So now we created the 12 circle 12 segments, right? So I'm going to draw one vertical line from major circle. I'm going to draw a one horizontal line from minor circle. So straight line first. I will draw one approximate line. Then if you want to repeat the same command, press enter. Okay, I'm going to draw one horizontal line. So if you want to repeat the same command, give enter. Okay, now I drawn here. Okay, now we got the intersecting point here. So here on intersecting point, here my on intersecting point. I'm going to start from this point. Okay, before going to draw the line, so create points. Okay, it is easy. So I created point, but it is not visible, right? Then go to P type. So we have to specify the point type. Okay, so this is my point. You can select based on your wish. Okay, so here we have to do the set size in absolute. Okay, now the point is visible now. So again go to point. I'm going to create here one point. Okay, so again this point, again this point. Okay, so after that we can use the mirror command. Okay, so go to polyline. I will draw from here. So, so not polyline, spline fit. So go to spline fit. Okay, so from here I'm going to, we need a curved object, right? Give enter. Okay, now we got the quarter portion, right? So I'm going to uh, draw this line in this portion. So here we can use the mirror command. Okay, so mirror command, select the object, so you enter, it will ask the first point, okay, and second point. So this is my source object. So here I want to keep the source object or not. So here we need the source object, right? So give no. Okay, now we created the off portion, right? So here again I'm going to mirror this line. So go to mirror. Either you can type here mirror. You can choose the this one, or you can choose, you can select here, type here mirror. So select the object. I'm going to select this and this. Okay, then give enter. So it will ask the first point. So for I'm going to mirror in this portion below the portion. So this is my reference line. This portion, this. Okay, here no need source. So we need source object, right? So now I'm going to join this line. Use the join command. Now you can check. Now you can check this four quarters are converted into single line. Okay, if you want, you can change the color. Okay, you can select this line. First, you select line and go to here in properties. Go to by layer. Select here which color you want. So based on the your wish. Okay, so now if you want, you can use the move command or copy command. So use the copy command, select this object, and okay, we use the copy command. We can we can't we can't delete this source object. Okay, if you want, I will explain. I will delete these two source object. So I will use move command, select the object, and I'm moving from here to here. Okay, if you use the copy command, we can get n number of the source object. Okay, so if you use move command, you can get the source object. Okay, so here, so we need dimension, right? So this is my, go to diameter, select the minor one, and again go to major one. Okay, so major, we selected major diameter 150 and minor diameter 150, right? So if you choose, if you want a perfect or a perfect shape, you have to divide n number of segments. So here we used 12 segments, right? So you can select 20. If you select 20 means we can get the fine diagram here. Okay, so then mm, in next video we can solve another problem. Okay, so we can solve the parabola using the rectangle method. So this is a simple method to create the ellipse. Thank you.